Hello friends and welcome to my channel, La Cocinita de Zoe. My name is Zoe and today I would like to share with you the way that I make Mexican style scrambled eggs, or as we know them, huevos a la mexicana. For this recipe we'll be needing cooking oil, jalapeno, cilantro, salt, onion, eggs, pepper, and tomato. Okay guys, so I have all my ingredients ready and now it's time to get cooking. We're going to start off by adding cooking oil to our pan, setting our flame to medium-high, and let our oil heat up for a couple of seconds. Now that our oil is ready, our first ingredient to add will be our onion, and we're going to cook it until it becomes translucent. Once your onion is a little clear, it's time to add our tomato. After a few seconds of cooking the tomato and the onion together, it's time to add our jalapeno. Seconds of cooking all these ingredients together, it's time to prepare our eggs. I'm going to add salt to taste and scramble them. And now it's time to add the eggs. I'm going to add pepper and a little bit more of salt. And now I'm going to add cilantro to garnish it. And it's ready to be served. I hope you guys liked my recipe. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I'll see you guys in my next video.